The Hangover 2. Only 54, but that's cool. Critics have not been overwhelmed. Audiences, well, I was going to say, have also been less satisfying than with the first. But I don't know. I mean, the box office was better here. Good enough to make a third. And presumably a last hangover. Yes, the first was almost exhilarating, smash hit box office with the critics. This is the one which really launched the career of Bradley Cooper, I guess, and the others who meet again, that rejoin. Bradley Cooper as Phil, Zach Galifianakis as Alan at Helms, Ken Jeong, Mr. Chow, and Paul Giamatti, one of the best actors we have had for at least a couple of decades. True, he was given. I saw him when tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. I need to talk about a little. It will not be long. Maybe I just finish now here in between brackets. Big Mama's House. Yes, in order to get to Sideways, you have to go through Big Mama's House. Anything. Which sounds like a major project. So they are reunited for a wedding again, this time in Thailand, where the prospective father-in-law is quite a nasty rich man, reminding us of the fact that they do have some problems there, as in a monarch. I have to be careful with luckily I live so far away, I'm not a subject of his majesty. I mean, unbelievable. Of course, the British royals, other royals, have their own problems. We see the crown and so on. But this fellow is like the prototype of non-aristocracy, which blue blood, manners, image, appearance, decorum, at least, if empty shells, very often, most of them, I don't know. Okay, at least this refinement in behavior. I mean, this guy is loathsome. He lives in Germany, keeps putting mistresses on the pedestal of the functions and then throwing them out and obnoxious and really disgusting. Yeah. And in terms of money, it's super rich, but in a despicable manner. So let's move on. The fellow in the movie is not quite on that scale, but he is arrogant, and I've seen, well, it's also amusing in his satire. I mean, my future son-in-law, and I thought, what is this? And then I realized that we need, and he gives the name of the dish, we need this thing. You ask, you're wondering what it is? Well, I'll tell you, it's a rice we give to old people, which is presumably, or as far as I can remember it, watered down, something uh, 'cause, 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 ' not disgusting, but probably tasteless. Just poshirka, I think we would say here. So, okay. They do it again. They get engaged in excess. Don't remember. They get into a fight. They fuck the police. They shout. They see movies following because it's the same thing. Hangover. When you drink too much, that happens. I mean, to him. To this guy, I mean, I know. So it's once every 3 years now. More 5 years, I think it's been when it had not being used. It's 4 or 5 years is enough to do it. So yes, one has problems the next thing remembering when it's intoxication, and that's what you did. Have a monkey with them. Somebody comes on my old motorbike with a monkey, and there's a little fight. There's a threat. There's Paul Giamatti who's playing the vile character, and they're missing one of them again. The Ed Helms character, who's supposed to get married, has a thing for prostitutes, and it happened again. Only this time it's a sort of a male or transgender, or I'm not sure. So let's just say he has a penis, and so Helms has anal sex apparently. He's upset about that, and we're all the way supposed to love, but we don't, not so much.